beautiful people, I am in the New York, in the US of A.
I-678 with Expressway.
What time do you get there? It's an hour. It's like we're going to another province and we're still within the same city. And there's no traffic.
It's probably maybe traffic. So I should text you the address.
Can you please call Cindy and let her know that we are arriving at the hotel at 10 past 10?
10 past 10?
Yes. You still have a number, eh?
Yeah.
It's been a year, my in-law. Well, not. 10 months.
Kennedy Airport, New York 27 West.
Yeah.
North
Remember my in-law from the wedding?
Roosevelt Parkway West. Kennedy
Are you still following all the advice you gave him?
West, North Conduit Avenue.
Yes, I am.
Then stay to the right to Kennedy Airport, New York 27 West, North Conduit Avenue.
And is this bride of yours treating you well?
She's trying her best. I'm trying my best. I'm treating you well. I'm treating you very well.
Red light camera reported ahead.
Soup and all the good things. All the good stuff.
Stay to the right to Kennedy Airport, New York 27 West, North Conduit Avenue.
Sister?
Yes. She'll probably be either on do Canadians change their thingies when they come here?
No, and we
Okay.
can call them for free as well.
Oh, perfect. Then Canada here. Canada here.
In 1.2 miles.
It's not as cold as
Stay
I
to the
thought.
left to Belt Parkway West, Verrazano Bridge.
Oh, basically, sorry. She just said to me that now we only talk. Sorry.
That's a shame.
I know, it's a shame. Get caught in January. I'm good. Yeah. Who sent you? Who sent you? Yeah, we're actually driving to the hotel now. Sophia got 10 past 10. So an hour from now. Exactly an hour from now. Yeah, so better tell a lot. Okay, no. Past 10, but you know, could be earlier, could be later. Maybe just let's say if it's 10 past 10, let's say 15 minutes past 10, because you never know.
Give or take.
Okay.
Hello? I am good. I am in the US of A. I'm in New York. Yes. Yeah, it was nice. It was fine. It was fine. Not. No, I'm not. I rested. I slept for like 10 hours. Well, 8. I had a proper good night
Red light
sleep.
camera reported ahead.
How far are you from the hotel? Okay. And Titi is with you? Is Titi with you? Okay. Okay, so I'll call you when I get to the hotel then. Okay. Okay, can I come there dressed in jeans?
In 3.1 miles, exit to exit 14.
Wherever you are, wherever I'm going. No, Nguzo, can I come there in jeans or do I have to come formal? When you have family in the US,
You better bring some goodies.
these are the things that excite them. These are the things that make them happy. It's like Christmas for her.
Oh my God, I'm on
Christmas, oh. Look how excited she is. Like a child in a candy shop.
Oh my God, the Cadbury. You want it in Lucky Star. Oh.
Yes, darling. You will be doing me a biggest favor. You'll be doing me the biggest favor in New York.
So just look for.
I'm in New York.
Oh, you're vlogging, sister.
I'm in New York. People must know that I'm in New York. I'm in the United States of America. New York! Because we're running out of gas. And the nearest gas station is
32 minutes away.
problems in big cities. No gas station. Which area of New York is this? I just know it's near the the towers?
Yeah, World Trade.
World Trade. So it's a nice area, ne?
Yeah.
New York, New York, New York, New York, New York, New York.
It's Metro.
There are South Africans in New York. Oh, this will make a nice photo. Let me do it.